All right, it's 5 o'clock update on the storm. Starting to see some very heavy snow get close to the coast of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. This is the stuff that's going to produce more than 1 inch per hour and possibly 2 to 3 inches per hour. The best chance of seeing that would be east of New Bedford through Cape Cod, but it is possible that it does clip from about Newport east to New Bedford during at least the early evening hours. And notice how it's lighter in northwestern Rhode Island. We'll go to a different view here so that you can see what's going on bigger picture with this storm. And it's already starting to consolidate. The storm is getting wound up, so this is going to be a nasty but quick hitting storm at the same time. It'll likely be a blizzard for eastern Massachusetts, but it's not going to be a long-lasting storm. 5 o'clock right now, it's out of the picture. Midnight 1 a.m. in Rhode Island and 1 to 2 a.m. in southeastern Massachusetts. So it's going to race by but really hammer Rhode Island and especially southeastern Massachusetts during the evening hours. Hartford had heavy snow last hour. Now they're down to moderate snow. When you watch the returns closely, you'll start to see them starting to move from northwest to southeast. So it's starting to wrap up and wind up this storm, and it's going to be several hours of moderate to heavy snow in Rhode Island and heavy snow in southeastern Massachusetts this evening, but don't expect it to last for too long. So even though you'll see it piling up, it does take some time to get the kind of snowfall amounts that we're predicting, and you may think that you're going to end up with a lot more if you look at 9 or 10 o'clock and see that you have half a foot of snow on the ground. But when we're predicting 5 to 8 inches, then you can probably pick up another 1 or 2, and then the storm's just going to end at midnight very quickly. So basically a 5 to 10 inch snowfall for most of Rhode Island, with the best chance of 10 being in the southeastern part of the state. A few spots, Secaucet Point, Little Compton might get close to a foot of snow from this. In the Providence area, probably going to be around 7 or 8 inches of snow, and a little bit less actually as you head to the northwest with this one. So the areas that saw more snow a couple of days ago will see less snow with this one. And the jackpot is going to be in the spots that saw basically no snow with the last storm. That is out on the Cape, where locally 12 to 18 inches of snow will fall in a relatively short amount of time. An incredible and wild storm in eastern Massachusetts during these evening hours. Can't wait to see what that radar looks like at about 9 or 10 o'clock this evening as this storm starts cranking. Blizzard conditions likely in parts of eastern Massachusetts. Travel, of course, not recommended.